The song The Father's House by Cory Asbury is a real kind of groovy song. It's only a couple chords. The acoustic guitar is actually doing quite a bit in terms of like hammer-ons and kind of being dynamic through the song. The electric guitar has a couple key lead riffs, a little bit of palm muting, but for the most part, it's really simple for us. We just get to sit back and enjoy the groove of the song and let the other instruments kind of really take the front on it. I love songs like this. Both the electric and the acoustic are capoed on the first fret, so make sure you're looking at the right chart there. Go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. First, start off right at the intro. It's going to sound like this. Simple enough, right? I'm going to turn off my delay so you can hear what's really happening here. And once again, as I mentioned in the intro, we are capoed on the first fret, which just helps us with our chording, but it throws off the numbers on the neck because we're always talking in relationship to the capo. So I'm going to do my best to talk about looks like 9, says 8 on the tab, sort of a thing. But we're starting off with our pinky on what looks like the 9th fret. We're going to drop back to our what looks like the 8th. So we're going to go 1 E and 2 E and. So once again, 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and then we palm mute. So we're just gonna, if you haven't checked out the muting lesson in the technique lessons, check those out. You can just search muting, but you can go. So you're going down, up, 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 down, up, up. So 4, and then same rhythm. Now we're going to drop down to the 3rd fret in relationship to the capo, and up to 5, and the same move there. Once again, 4. You can do a little pickup note there if you want, or leave it out. It's up to you. So that whole section all together will sound like this: 2, 3, 4. So that's intro 1, and I'm going to cover intro 2 in this one as well because it's very similar. What we're going to do for that is we are going to come up to what looks like our 9th fret. We're going to use our middle and our ring finger here. So our middle finger will be on the E. Ring finger looks like it's on 10, and it's also muting the B string so that we can hit both those. So this is going to go. So slight variation there. That middle finger's on what looks like 9, ring finger what looks like 10, and once again. And then you're sliding down 2 frets with your ring finger, and your pinky takes over on the E, still muting the B string. And then this is almost identical. We're going to go that same riff, but instead of actually always dropping back to this note, we're going to go. Once again. So we add that little extra notes there, as well as always dropping back to that note there. And it's really useful to use that ring finger to mute the B so that you don't have to worry about missing it. And then we're going to do the same variation on the other one. So now we're going to drop down 2 frets, and our ring finger is just going to stay in place. Like so. So once again, all together. And then that leads you into your verse. So I do have loop and tabs of both of those down below. Go ahead and give that a shot, and let's go on to the next section. 2 and 3 and 4 and.